Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have it all figured out financially? It's not about luck or magic, my friends. It's all about financial planning. A well-crafted financial plan is your map to financial security and freedom. It's a personalized strategy that guides your money decisions, helping you achieve your dreams while avoiding financial pitfalls. It's a tool to control your financial destiny. The key to financial success lies in proactive planning, and that's what we'll guide you through today. The first step to any successful financial plan is setting clear, achievable goals. Now let's talk about goal setting. Goals give you a sense of direction, a roadmap to your financial success. They can be short-term, like saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card, or long-term, like planning for retirement or buying a home. But how do we set effective financial goals? Enter SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. If your goal is to buy a house, make it specific. How much do you need to save? It should be measurable. Track your progress. It must be achievable. Can you realistically save that amount? Relevant. Does it align with your financial situation and life stage? And finally, time-bound. When do you want to achieve this goal? Common financial goals could be reducing debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for education. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. It's time to turn those financial wishes into solid plans. Now that you have your goals set, it's time to take a hard look at where you are financially. Evaluating your current financial situation is a bit like a detective piecing together clues. The first clue: your income. This is the money you bring in every month from your job, side hustle, or any other sources. Next, track your expenses. Think about everything you spend money on, from your morning latte to your monthly rent or mortgage. This gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. The third clue: your assets. These are things you own that have value, like your home, car, or savings account. And finally, your liabilities. This is the money you owe, such as student loans, credit card debt, or a mortgage. By piecing together these clues: income, expenses, assets, and liabilities, you paint a picture of your current financial health. Understanding your financial situation is like reading a map before starting a journey. It helps you chart the best course to your destination. With your goals set and your current situation assessed, it's time to plan your budget and build an emergency fund. Think of budgeting as your personal financial GPS. It helps you navigate through the wild terrains of expenses, guiding you on how much to spend, where to cut back, and when to save. Imagine going on a road trip without a map. Sounds chaotic, right? That's exactly what your financial journey could be without a budget. So, how do you set up a budget? First, list out all your income sources and expenses. Then allocate funds to each category based on priority. Remember, it's not about restricting your spending, but more about spending wisely. Now let's talk about the unsung hero of financial planning, the emergency fund. This is a stash of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses like medical emergencies or job loss. It's your financial safety net that keeps you afloat when life gets stormy. How much should you save? Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Start small if you need to and build it up gradually. Every little bit counts. And where should you keep this fund? Choose a savings account that's easily accessible and earn some interest, but separate from your daily checking account to avoid temptations. A well-planned budget and a solid emergency fund are your safety nets on this financial journey. They ensure you stay on track even when life throws curveballs. Finally, let's talk about managing debt and planning for the future. The key to tackling debt is having a clear strategy. Start by identifying your debts and prioritizing them. Focus first on those with higher interest rates, as they can grow quickly if left unchecked. It's crucial to make consistent payments even if they're small. Every bit helps in reducing your overall debt. As for the future, saving for retirement should be a priority. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Consider investing in a retirement account like an IRA or a 401k. And don't forget about other future financial needs, such as buying a home or funding your children's education. Remember, the best time to start planning your financial future is now. It's time to take control of your finances and start working towards your goals. And that's it, folks. In just 5 minutes, you've taken a significant step towards financial success. We've journeyed through setting clear financial goals, assessing your current situation, mastering budgeting, building an emergency fund, and managing debt. The power is now in your hands. Make the most of these tips and start your journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and leave a comment with your thoughts and questions. Your financial future begins here.